Hello students, today we are going to discuss Sonogashira coupling reaction. It is the coupling reaction between organic halide or triplet with terminal alkyne by using palladium and copper as a catalyst and a base. Okay, it is the coupling reaction between organic halide or a triplet with terminal alkyne by using palladium as a catalyst and copper as a co-catalyst and base it is used as a amine. Okay, now here see the general reactions of Sonogashira coupling. Here the R dash X or organic halide reacts with terminal alkyne. This is the organic halide reacts with terminal alkyne in presence of palladium as a catalyst and copper as a co-catalyst and base amine. Okay, this is the triethyl amine and here the formation of couple product. Okay, now here see the mechanism of Sonogashira coupling reaction. First, the terminal alkyne reacts with base triethyl amine. Here acid base reaction takes place. This is the triethyl amine, it is the base, and here this is the acidic proton. Okay, this H, it is the acidic proton. Here acid base reaction takes place. Okay, and here formation of carbanion. The next step, this carbanion reacts with copper iodide and here form the RC triple bond CCU. Okay, plus I minus. Okay, here the substitution takes place is hydrogen is substituted by copper atom. Now next, in this next steps, 4 steps are given. First step, here organic halide first reacts with palladium 0 as a catalyst. Here first the oxidative addition takes place. Here the palladium is inserted on R dash X. Okay, here palladium, these two ligands, here X and here R dash. Okay, here the palladium 0 is converted into here palladium 2 plus. Okay, here the oxidation takes place. In the next step, here the transmetallation takes place. Here R C triple bond CCU. Okay, here transmetallation. Here palladium and copper, it is the two metal atoms. Okay, now here this bond attack on palladium and here loss of X minus. Okay, here form PD, here LL, this is two ligands, here C triple bond CR and here R dash plus CUX. Okay, now next step, it is the isomerization takes place. Here this trans is converted into cis form. Okay, here palladium, here C triple bond C R, here R dash, here to ligands. Okay. Now next step, it is the reductive elimination. Here the palladium second is converted into palladium 0. Okay, here the reductive elimination takes place. Here the reduction. Here this group attack on this carbon. Here reduction takes place, and here from the final product, it is the R dash C triple bond C R plus palladium 0 L2. Palladium second is converted into here palladium 0, and here last product is formed here R dash C triple bond C R. Okay. This is overall the Sonogashira coupling reactions. First, we see the statement of Sonogashira coupling reaction. Here the statement is the coupling reaction between organic halide or a triplet with terminal alkyne using palladium as a catalyst and copper as a co-catalyst, and by using base amine. Okay, next see the general reactions of Sonogashira coupling reactions. First, the organic halide reacts with terminal alkyl in presence of palladium 0 catalyst, then copper iodide triethylamine, and form the coupled products. Okay, next see the mechanism of Sonogashira coupling. First, here the hydrogen is substituted by copper atom. First, terminal alkyne reacts with base triethylamine and first form the carbanion. The next the carbanion reacts with copper iodide and here form RC triple bond CCU. Okay. In the next step, first the organic halide reacts with palladium 0 as a catalyst. Here the oxidative addition takes place. Then the next step, transmetallation, then isomerization, and last one is reductive elimination. Okay, and here form the last couple product. Now here see the one example of Sonogashira coupling reaction. Bromobenzene or organic halide reacts with terminal alkyne in presence of palladium 0 as a catalyst and copper iodide. It is the co-catalyst, and base it is the triethylamine, and here form the couple product. Okay, here PH C triple bond C CH3. Now here see the mechanism. First, terminal alkyne reacts with base, it is the triethylamine, and here form, and here acid base reaction takes place, and here form the carbanion. Okay. Then the next step is this carbanion reacts with copper iodide and here form the CH3 C triple bond C Cu. Okay, here the substitution takes place. Here hydrogen is substituted by copper atom. Then the next step, first the organic halide, here bromobenzene reacts with palladium 0 as a catalyst. Here the oxidative addition takes place, and here form PH, PD, here Br, here ligands. Okay, then the next step, it is the transmetallation takes place. here CH3 C triple bond C Cu. Okay, here this bond attack on palladium atom, and here D part copper bromide. Okay, and here form PH, here PD C triple bond C CH3, here ligands, and plus copper bromide. Next step, it is the isomerization takes place. Here trans is converted into cis form. Here palladium, here C triple bond C CH3, here PH, here ligand. Okay, then the next step, it is the reductive elimination. Here reduction of palladium second into palladium 0. Okay, here form a couple product C triple bond CH3, here PH. Okay, plus palladium 0.